Hello, Byron Primary. It is Monday, May 11th. Hope that you are doing well. I know yesterday was Mother's Day, so I'm hoping you got to do something maybe fun with your mom, or maybe grandma's, or whoever you were able to maybe connect with yesterday. So, this week we have a few announcements. Last week we had a lot because we had teacher appreciation. We also had Nurses Day. So let's talk a little bit about what's happening this week. All right, our birthdays. Happy birthday to Jameson in Mrs. Schneider's class, Lydia in Miss Dadler's class, Ethan in Miss Leahy's class, Simon in Mrs. McKay's class, Joe in Miss Taylor's class, Zachary in Mrs. Schneider's class, Parker in Miss Byteen's class, Isabella in Mrs. Blum's class, Chloe in Miss Leahy's class, Sophia in Miss Taylor's class, and Claire in Mrs. Hatton's class. So I hope you all have great birthdays today. It looks like the weather's going to get a little bit nicer this week. I know it's been a little chilly, so hopefully we'll have lots of sunshine this week. All right, our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you for saying the pledge with me. It's what we do every Monday as a school. All right, the winner this week, and if you remember, we were having you vote on your favorite berry. The winner this week, strawberries. My favorite was raspberries. Mine did not win, and guess what? That's okay. Strawberries was our winner this week. Our new voting question, what is your favorite ice cream? And we have vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry. So the voting link will be in the message, and your moms and dads can help you with that. And I have a special message from Victor Viking. Are you ready for this? Here we go. Yay! We had a message from Victor Viking letting you all know how proud the Vikings are for all the work that you're doing. And it was a special message to Byron Primary School. So I will also attach that message into our into the email and the presentation that your moms and dads will get. That is so cool. I couldn't believe it when I got it on my message from Victor Viking. It says your parents and your teachers are so proud of you. And boys and girls, we are proud of you. So keep up the great work. If you want to remember this, be a star. Something to remember, even if we are doing some learning in a different way right now. And we know that we are learning differently right now. So continue to be safe. Use teamwork. Be a team partner with your mom and your dad. Take pride. Be responsible. Show respect. And as always, if you want to listen to the primary school song with Patrick and Lucy, you can do that too. All right, everybody, keep up the great work. You're doing a great job. Even Victor Viking wanted to tell you how great you're doing. Have a great week, and I can't wait to see you all again. Bye.